Welcome. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Shibadoge price have continued to increase today, and it's a good one to see Shibadoge hitting green today. And I believe that, of course, the truth is Bitcoin also have increased from 16,000 to over $17,000, and I believe that is why a lot of crypto coins must be showing green today, because BTC controls every other crypto coin. Now Shibadoge, with still trading with about 16 zeros. A lot of people have been looking at these 16 zeros like Shibadoge delete 1 or 2 3 zeros, I think I'll be making a lot of money. Okay, yes, Shibadoge, people are saying it as the next Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu have a lot of zeros back then, the beginning of 2021. And then what happened with Shiba Inu? We saw a massive increase in price. We saw a massive %. A lot of people became millionaires with Shiba Inu. Someone invested like $4,000 and earned about $5.7 billion with Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu really increased massively. People are waiting for the opportunity. People are waiting to see that coin that can hit that level again. Every year, there must be a coin that must hit a massive increase in price. Now, one thing to understand is this: Shibadoge, to a lot of people, they believe this coin is a combination of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. That this coin is going to hit a massive increase in price like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin very soon. And I still believe, of course, for Shibadoge developers, they believe that if the community of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, if they can gain just 1% of this community to come in and start buying and holding Shibadoge, that alone is going to push Shibadoge to hit a massive increase in price. Now, Ethereum Wells also showed interest on this coin from a few months ago, and we saw what really happened. Imagine Rubyhood, imagine Binance, imagine Coinbase, imagine Kucoin, Get.io coming in to support or to list Shibadoge. We are going to experience another coin that is going to hit a massive increase in price. Ethereum Wells alone pushed the market cap of Shibadoge to hit over $16 million. Though today the market cap of Shibadoge is trading above $8 million, losing about 50% of where it was when Ethereum Wells had interest. That really pumped Shibadoge there with some massive increase in price. So I still believe that next year, 2023, we might be seeing companies coming in, we might be seeing industries, crypto investors coming in to support Shibadoge, and that definitely is going to hit a massive increase in price for Shibadoge. But remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.